Tell Auntie. What's the name of that one? What's that? Cucumber.
Cucumber.
And put it on the counter and take the rest out. And tell Auntie what they are, yeah? What's that one? Onion. It's onion. Okay, what is it? What is that?
Again.
Put it on the counter.
What's that?
What's the next one? Avocado.
Avocado. Stay like that.
Yes. Yes.
Cucumber.
Yes.
Yes.
Cucumber. Yeah.
Stay like that.
Yeah. What next? Garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Put it right there near the cucumber.
Yeah, near cucumber. What's that? Sweet corn.
Sweet corn. Put it in the top. No, put it in there.
Yes.
It's not more.
It's finished.
Yeah.
Oh, nice job, Priya. What's that? Butter beans.
Butter beans. Stay like that.
Yeah. What's that? You love it.
Yeah.
You love to drink it. What's the name of it? Apple?
Apple juice.
Yes. Good girl.
Apple juice.
Yeah, good girl.
Stay like
What else is in there? What's that? Butter,
Butter.
bean.
Bean. Butter bean.
Nice.
What's you cooking tribe today? Tribe and butter bean?
Well done.
Butter bean.
Yes, good girl. Yeah, my food. You can't do that for the
Yeah, tell me how to do it.
vinegar.
Vinegar.
Yeah. What's that one? What's that? Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
Put the top in there.
Yes. What's that one?
Again.
Yeah, vinegar.
Finger.
Yeah. Push it over.
Huh?
What's next?
It's spicy.
Yeah, spicy, yeah. Wow. Yeah, spicy.
Spicy again.
Yes, spicy again.
Put it on top.
On top, yeah.
No, down.
Yeah. Good girl.
That's yours.
Yes, put it over there, please. You know my business though. What's next? What's that?
Two hands.
What's that? Malta.
That's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What's that? What's the name of that? Malta. Say Malta. What's that?
It's
What's that?
ice.
Yes, good girl.
Wow.
Done the shopping. We are done the shopping. Thank you very much.
Thanks, baby.
This one of your says mommy was using today for me. So we go.
Do you want some help? Got to rip it.
Huh?
Rip it. Tear it. Yeah, tear the box. Yeah, push it back. Ooh, good girl. Hey, me Julsz. So we're gonna be having curry butter bean tripe for dinner. I'm gonna make it defrost now, and then I'll be chefing it up. You saw Auntie's baby earlier on unpacking the shopping. Yeah. And Mama Julsz is having patty for lunch. Basically, me Julsz, I'll be making pickled pepper. So that's our carrot, that's our pepper, and then these are our onions. So I'll be making pickled pepper, and I'll show you guys. But that's everything that's washed. I've got to obviously peel the carrots, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Then chop up the onions and then put on the vinegar on the stove for it to heat up. You know the process already, but yeah, I'll show you guys the end process, well, the end product, like how it looks when it's finished. Stay tuned. No. Hey me Julsz, I am just cleaning off my makeup because they need cleaning. Like, my makeup bag was absolutely atrocious. So I've just finished washing my hair, looking like a wet chicken, like a wet duck, like a wet, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go dry my hair now and get into the kitchen. I'm trying this new shampoo and conditioner, so this is just like a video diary, like a mental diary for me to remember to obviously do a review maybe within, what should we say? Should we say 4 months? Let's see how it does with my hair in 4 months. If it is good, I'll let you know what shampoo and conditioner it is. But yeah, this is just for me to like remember, Julsz, you need to review this bad boy. So I'm gonna go dry my hair because obviously you can't have wet hair because you catch a cold. Get dressed, probably put on my bonnet because I don't think I wanna catch up my hair today. And then we're gonna go kitchen, cook, make the pepper pickle, and then literally just chill today. Such an easy, quick, chilled out vlog. Not much is going on. But yeah, how are you guys? Let me just talk to y'all for a second. Okay, let me get dressed and then I'll come back and talk to y'all. Okay? Okay. Hey Julsz, so back. The first thing we need to do, we need to boil our vinegar. I'm obviously following a recipe that I caught from Chef Ricardo, if memory serves me right. I believe that's his name. So first thing first, get your pot, put your vinegar in the pot. You're gonna need a tubs of salt and I think he said some sugar. So let's try this recipe. Not try, I've tried it already. This is my second time doing it. The first time was with Chitty, and now I'm gonna do it by myself, so hopefully it comes out nice again. I've got my peppers, my onion and my carrot. Some people do put pimento seeds in theirs, but I don't think I'll be putting pimento seed in ours. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get to cooking. I've got me my goat, is it called goat belly, goat skin, goat something on the stove. We're doing goat something, kidney beans, curry. You just gonna see, you're gonna see it. So stick around guys, stick around. So that's the bowl that we put it in, Julsz. This is our pickle jar bowl. So basically you want to layer it. So the best way to do your pickles is to layer it. Me and Tussie are thinking of selling these, you know, because our pickle pepper tastes amazing. You know, the way that we do our vinegar is quite different. It just has a very, it does taste good. It's like a crunchy, peppery, it's just lovely. If you like escovitch fish and them something there, you know, when we launch our little pickle pepper containers, make sure you grab one. Okay, so let's start layering it. So the first one we want to do is we drop some carrots in there, then we go for some onions, then we go for some peppers, then we carrots, onions, pepper, carrots, onions,
Just chicken right there.
I don't know.
Then the video shades.
Morning, me Julsz. So it's the next day. I'm actually so tired. Aunty baby, yeah. I didn't get to close off the vlog last night, so I do apologize about that. I hope this video don't get a copyright because there is music playing, or a lot of them have to come back. But yeah, me and Aunty baby, my goddaughter's about to go and change some bed sheets. Gotta teach them from young, guys. Gotta teach them from young. Look like bees sting me natural. Like, I don't know. I got a love bump there. Madness. Julsz, so today is Sunday.
I'll show that again, that's right.